Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to continue with our learning journey, sales and distribution, fundamental customizing, exercise 12, configuration of partner functions in sales documents. So from the last exercise, we have already finished the copying control exercises. First, we applied how we know what kind of fields are going to be copied from the preceding document to the later document, such as from inquiry to quotation, and then to um, sales order. And we can have a chance to also configure it. Do we need the item numbering of the quotation to be taken exactly the same into the sales order, for example, and whether we can also configure um, the, the reference the way that we want. For example, if we have a quotation with a customer A, but we want to create a sales order for a different customer, which is customer B, but we still want to reference to the previous quotation because they are in the same organization group, the two customer. They are just sub customer from the same headquarter, and they want to use up the quotation which has been aligned or handled before. So those are the copying requirements that we have done. So have a look into the solution. Yes, it should be yeah, the copying requirement from quotation to sales order. We have different requirements. 001, the header and customer need to be the same. 002, they can be different. Instead of an error message, we have a warning message. If you remember correctly, there we were able to create a sales order for the customer B based on the quotation aligned with the customer A. Let's just head back to the copy requirement, and I can show you that this is the different routine requirement that we have. One is the header same customer. If we go into the code and scroll down a little bit, there should be, yes, are the reference and target customer the same? And if they are not the same, then we have an error message E005 and E160. And compared to the second copy routine, we have less conditions, but we also have the same check that if the reference and target customer the same. And here, if they are not the same, they will give a warning message back. So with a warning, we still get a message pop up, say that, hey, you are creating sales order with a customer B, which is different from the customer A, where the quotation was agreed. But we still able to create the sales order for that, just a warning message. So that is to wrap up the last couple of exercises that we have done for the copying control. And today we are going to go to another configuration of the business partner. If you remember correctly, we have 4 different partner functions. The sold to party, of course, the customer. The ship to party, the warehouse of the customer where we should send the orders to. The bill to party, like the accounting or the financial department from the customer, where we actually build the send the invoice to. And the payer, this is actually the account payable department from the customer, who will probably receive the invoice, probably forwarded from the bill to party or so on, and they will make the payment for every invoices that they have from the bill to party, as I understand. It could be that all the 4 partner function is the sales customer in the end, because they have only one headquarter, but it could be different based on the customer requirement. So for anyone who's new, my name is Anh, a junior SAP consultant. I'm learning myself different logistic modules inside SAP S for HANA private cloud, from SD, TM, MM, EWM, maybe some more, but mainly logistics. And I want to share with you guys my learning journeys. Hope that you might find something helpful for your projects or day-to-day operations. So we are probably about to end the course. We have 2 more before we're taking the exam. I think billing and then pricing at the end. So yes, let's finish out this one. For this exercise, we need to set up a new partner function and partner procedure for the trade fair order. So we need to extend the customer master record A with a new partner function YO. Okay, assign Tom Tower as the partner to your customer. And then we need to create trade fair order for the customer with the following data. Alright, let me have a look. Let's us go into PP and search for the customer A42. Let me double click on this and go to sales and distribution. Yeah, customer essentially FISD. The training system is probably updated to the, I don't know which version it is. I'm not sure, but system status. Yeah, this should be the, I don't know what release is this, but I have no idea, unfortunately. Product version, yes, go to here and we have basics. Yeah, I think we can apply here the release. Maybe there we can have a better understanding of what is the version that we are having here. (2023). Yeah, I think pretty new, to be honest. ST Pack 10 2024. Yes, but yeah, nevertheless, it's not important right now. What do we want to do? We want to go to the sales and distribution and to partner function. And here we can see that we have 5 different partner functions for this customer. The sold to party, bill to party, payer, and ship to party. They're all the same, but we have a sales employee, which is probably an employee responsible for this customer. Like every order that we got from this customer, they will call Susan, and Susan will responsible for creating the sales order probably. So we need now to enter a new partner function YO as 4560. Probably a partner function YO here. Let me go to edit. If we can see YO here, probably yes, YO, yes. And it should be Tom Tower. I don't know who Tom Tower is, but let's search like this, Tom Tower. Yes, we do find him. His personal ID is 97. Enter. Yes, so we have a YO business partner function for this customer. The number is 97, assign business partner, and Tom Tower. And we will click save. Let's ignore the information. So action cancelled by user. Let me go back. So what we do now is we create the sales order. with the ZA42 with the customer that we have already done, and for this material. All right, VA01, ZA42, customer A, customer reference 42 ZA06. $142, quantities want. So if now I now go to the display header and to partner, we have here AG, so sold to party, bill to party, payer, sales employee, and ship to party. But we don't have the Tom Tower here. We only have the Susan Silver for now. What happened next is no, it's not. Probably not configured for the sales order type ZA42. In the future, you want to include the partner function and occasionally an additional partner function counselor for your trade fair order. First, create a new partner function with the description. And partner type is PE. Well, I don't know how we can create a new partner function, to be honest. I'm not even sure, because I think in the PP transaction we assigned a new business partner function to a customer, but which means that the business partner function should be already exist, like the YO business partner that already exists before, and we just choose it. But to create a business partner function, we will need to have a look. Okay, let me save the sales order 462. Now I want to create a new partner function. Let's maybe go to sales distribution, go to probably basic function. I'm not sure if we can have here partner determination, set up partner determination, set up partner determination for customer and supplier master, sales document header. What should it be? So what we have here, we have partner determination procedures, partner function in procedures. What do we have here? We have a standard order. Go to the partner function in the procedure. We have 1A, no change possible, partner mandatory. We have sold to party is mandatory, bill to party, payer, and ship to party. These are all for mandatory partner functions. And we have also the sales employee. I'm not sure where was it. Say employee, it is here, which is SE. Yeah. We have no change possible, which means that once it is populated, it can't be changed, like the sold to party. Okay, and what is this? Original table. Original table. What is B? Let's see here. B, customer hierarchy. A and C, credit management and partner function from customer master. K and VP. And we have the sequence address. All right, a lot of things that are going up here, but at least I know now for the standard order. Yes, for the standard. But what does it mean to be a standard order? It's also interesting to see that. partner determination, procedure assignment. We have here sales document type. Yes, have here sales document type. So we can search for ZA42 then, and we have that partner determination TA, which is the standard order. Okay, so they have kind of a group, and we have a TA group, and in the TA group we have a lot of partner functions which you can configure for that. And what about the partner function? Bill to party, partner type, incompleteness, unique in the master data. Yeah, a lot of things that we don't understand here, to be honest. Is there any payer, shipper, SH as ship to party? What is the difference? Ship to party, we have KU, which is KU customer. Okay, and what about SP sold to party? We also have KU and unique in the master data. And error in the incompleteness, we have customer. Okay, what about the account group? We have 1A customer hierarchy and customer account group, partner function, customer account group. We have sold to party, account group, function assignment. This is still somehow new for me, to be honest. Sorry, but nevertheless, this is the partner function procedure, right? Where we can determine what is the partner function for sales document header. Not sure about the item, but I don't think it should be relevant. And for delivery, shipment, billing. Okay, so if I come back here, what is this transaction? Oh, 9. It looks not good. Not easier friendly, to be honest. Yeah. Anyway, let's add it to our cheat sheet. So business partner determination for sales document type, and we have the customizing code. If I go to this display technical info, this is transaction properly. Yeah, properly no, I think it should be the transaction then. Yes, let me add it to it. Customizing transaction, I think it's the same, just copy it here. Location, customizing description. Oh no, this is the old list. No, I don't need this. I need my new cheat sheet in the, yes, probably this one. Yeah, yes, this is what I need. Business partner determination for sales document type. The transaction is here. Just copy it, and what we can configure here, we can configure which business partner, which partner function is mandatory for sales order type. Yes, something like that. Yeah, Anyway, just come back to our exercises. What do we need here? We need to create a partner function, a new partner function, counselor. And the partner type is PE. I'm not sure if we have that already, but let's go to standard order. Do we have PE here? No, right? We have only PY, but never an PE. Maybe I can create it here for new entries. Partner function. Do we have PE? Entry found. No. Do we have PE here? PE. No, it's not, right? We need a new partner function, not assigning it here, to be honest. Yes, this is still yeah, partner function PE, partner type is PE. Okay, what is PE? Personal number. So we need a new partner function. Our group is 42, so it should be our partner function should be FM, partner function FM, but with the partner type PE. Okay. So let's just do it. I will just create an FM partner function. So the name, it should be counselor 42, and the partner type is PE, personal number. And this should be unique in the master data. I'm not sure. Just create it. Select a key from the allowed namespace. Alright, let's save it at least. Alright, let's double check our latest partner function FM. So we have counselor 42, partner type is 0 PE, and yes, the incomplete procedure is 09. Not sure if it's relevant or not, but yes, this is our new partner function, and we want to add it into the partner determination. And so we need to create a new partner determination procedure x42 with the description, name, order, procedure 42. Confirm any warning message and enter the prompt. In the new partner determination procedure, enter the following partner function with the corresponding field settings. Alright. Let's just have a look then. Partner determination procedure. I will need to create a new one here, which is x42 order procedure 42. Select a key from the allowed namespace. Yes, just save it. regardless of what's going to happen in the, let's select this and go to the partner function, and we need to create new entries. The first partner function should be ship to party. Next is ship to party. Partner mandatory, no change possible. PP and PY. Bill to party and PY. So all these are mandatory partner function. Okay, and only the first one is not change. It's not able to change. We have YO and FM. YO and FM, which is the partner function we have created earlier. Alright, and these two are just normal. Assign the new pieces partner determination procedure to the sales document type ZA40. Let me save it first, and then we will assign it to our sales order. Okay. Sales order type is ZA40. We will not use TA, but we use what is this? X42, and save it. And this time we will test our settings by creating the exactly same sales order with the customer like this. Customer reference should be 42 partner, and the material, I think it doesn't make any difference, but we can now directly to the header and to partner. We can see here that the sold to party, bill to party, buyer, ship to party, and also the YO is now exist in our partner function. Yes, so that should be it at least. I don't know why the partner function YO is populated but not FM, but let's go to the YO. So this is also a personal employee. It doesn't have any unique in the master data whatsoever. I think it should be the same as FM. So also PE and arrow 09. Yes. So I'm not sure what is the differences. If I now go to partner function YO, we have a customer account group and a partner function. It is not the YO that we can have, or FM that I have created. Let's have a look quick. No, right? I think only some of those, yes. Like sold to party, they have a lot of account group, etc. Partner function conversion. Okay, then I don't think it should be relevant. And one thing for me to understand is that why do I have the counts, the YO business partner maintained, but not the counselor? Why is it? Is it because of the business partner master data? Is it so? Because it could be that I have not maintained the partner function. We don't see the sales employee in sales order, right? Is it? Yeah, we don't see the sales employee here. Yes, we can have the counselor maybe if we need it. Click on enter and we can select the partner if we want to. Yes, so this is the thing that we can do. Check whether the Tom Tower has been stored as a partner and manually enter Hugo Schmidt in the counselor field. Okay, Hugo Schmidt. I'm not sure if I can find him like this or enter him like this, but we can have a look. Hugo Schmidt. Okay, we have a lot. So let me first delete it and search for him. Hugo Schmidt. Yes, so this is him. Only one. Click on enter. And there we go. So this YO business partner, it is always maintained in the customer A42, and we also maintain him in the partner function in the procedure. That's why it is popping up. It is being popped up here in the partner function. We don't see the sales employee even though it's maintained here. The Susan Silva in the customer master data because of the procedure that we have defined here. If we are now create a sales employee, which is I think SE, right? Then it will be populated there. Let us create a new sales order. Let's go with to be A01. I probably just keep the customer and the partner. I don't even keep the material, but I go directly to the partner. We can see here the VE, which is the sales employee, is now being populated without us even populating the field here. So that should be good for now. I think we can of course delete this partner function because it's not mandatory compared to the first four one. If I delete this is a mandatory function in the order procedure, so which means that we cannot delete it, but the YO partner we can always delete it as needed. So yes, I don't think we need solution for this. I think it's pretty straightforward what I have shown you in the system, what we are going to be able to make a change. Let me also add this transaction to our favorite, even though we will not be using this a lot again because there are only two exercise or one exercise left, but nevertheless let's just add it here. Sales document header partner determination. All right, should be good enough then. If I double click on that and we go directly to here, which is good. Yes, and only for the sales order. Yeah. All right, that should be it for today. Friday night. I was so tired, but still got a new content and something new to learn for you guys. Hope that you might find something helpful, and we probably see each other tomorrow then. If any questions, let me know in the comment down below. I will take some time to help you guys with that. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.